Want to change the system sounds or want to disable recording beep sound on your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3? After doing this, you'll have your Osmo Pocket giving feedback exactly the way you want. In this video, I'll show you how to change the system sounds on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's begin. First, turn on the camera. Swipe down to bring the menu options. Now tap on the gear icon, scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap on sounds under the video compression option. Now here you will get 4 options, like high, medium, low, and mute. High means the camera will produce loud beeping and other system sounds, and medium is the default setting. The sounds are a moderate volume, suitable for most general purpose use. And low means the beeping sounds are very subtle and quiet. Finally, mute. This completely silences all system settings. The camera will not beep when you start or stop recording or when you tap on the screen. So there you have it. This is how you can change the system sounds and disable recording beep sound on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.